Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Give it a moment to completely boot up so everything runs smoothly during the cleanup process. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Windows Start button. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. Now in the search bar that appears, type in Disk Cleanup and then press Enter on your keyboard. This built-in Windows tool is specifically designed to help you remove unnecessary files that accumulate over time and take up valuable storage space on your system. After hitting Enter, a small window will pop up on your screen. This window is prompting you to select which drive you want to clean up. If you have multiple drives attached to your computer, you'll notice a drop-down menu that allows you to choose between them. Most users will want to select their main system drive, typically labeled as C drive since that's where most temporary files and cache accumulate. Click on the drop-down menu if needed, select your desired drive, and then click on OK to proceed. Now you'll be presented with the Disk Cleanup options window, and this is where the actual cleanup happens. You'll see a list of different file categories with checkboxes next to each one. These categories include things like temporary files, downloaded program files, thumbnails, and various types of cache files that your system no longer needs. Take a moment to review the list and tick the checkboxes next to the file types you want to remove. Don't worry, this tool only shows you files that are safe to delete, so you won't accidentally remove anything critical to your system's operation. Once you've selected all the file types you want to clear, click on the Cleanup System Files button. This action will start the cleanup process and you'll see a progress indicator showing you how much is being removed. During this time, just sit back and wait for the process to finish. Depending on how much cache and temporary data has built up on your system, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. And that's it! You've successfully cleared the cache on your Windows 11 computer, freeing up storage space and potentially improving your system's performance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.